You step over it. So I don't have any shoes and I'm stuck in it.
We're so ghetto. Alright.
I don't understand why you're still not playing with the bobby pin.
I want to go
Have
find
you tried it yet? You haven't even tried yet.
I tried one time with the pin.
Are you videotaping my reaction?
He's a video
You get all munches. This is great.
How does Dharma feel about this whole situation?
What do you think?
Dharma
She's
don't give a
indifferent.
shit. Dharma just figures this kind of normal.
He's like, whatever, they're holding
Oh my
hands.
God. I'm so
Mammals hold hands all the time.
Can I hug you too? I guess I
I
had to
took
hug
it in
you.
the ass last night for the first time.
I told him about that. Didn't I predict that? That she got fucked in the ass last night. I told you she would.
It hurt my ass.
No, that was Aaron you were talking about. Yeah, I just pooped a pee out. My
I
ass
haven't really
got
told you,
hurt.
but it was a kid that got fucked in the ass
Because I'm on
last
my
night.
period.
I haven't.
You too.
I haven't been fucked in the ass before, so I don't know how it
Please
feels.
do
but-
not fucking put this on the
Right on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
I
No,
got fucked in the
it's
ass.
his tube.
Nice.
Boo.
Oh, God, life
Look
is
at my
so
small.
good.
Look at her.
Come on, again.
I got to get.